happy spinning wheels driven from a single solar rocker. It took me 10 minutes to design such wheel in Tinkercad. A cylinder with a hole makes ring, and another cylinder with a hole makes axis, and then 2 bars across. Found a tiny light bulb which will go to cut very nicely. Now 3D printed such rotor with 6mm hole. Like this rotor very much, it can be balanced by sliding the magnets, and it's not magnetically levitating, but supported only in one point of the needle and spins very freely. Advantage of this bearing is that all the dirt falls down, so it can self-clean itself. I spin it with sunflower circuit and then wait how quickly stops. It was spinning 3 minutes and a half. Comparing to this guy, using glass tube and magnetic levitation, it was spinning only half a minute. I separated the driving part from the wheel for transportation purposes. It's much easier to transport. I printed one more thing, 0.8mm hole, and we have a spinner. Quite unexpected, I made coupled pendulums. Chaotic pendulums, when there are 2 oscillators coupled, then they make chaotic behavior. It even can spin in another direction, change the direction of rotation. Next we'll diamond saw a small neon bulb from a fridge, 5mm diameter. I slice the rotor with 8% infill. We'll cut the light bulb using diamond saw. The quality of the cut is not so nice as for the long bulb. Printing. 1 hour later, the third rotor is born. The height of the coil can easily be adjusted by putting some spacers. Now we have 3 oscillators getting out of sync, fighting each other. Car light bulb, diameter 9.5mm. This bulb was easiest to cut. It actually cracked, but I may save it with glue. One hour later, next one is born. Magnetically coupled wheels, slightly out of sync. Chaotic motion is like fibrillation in the heart when there is no synchronization. Individualists. People without a strong leader. The large bulb sets a spinning record of almost 8 minutes. The small one stopped after 2 minutes.